1. Lemon and citrus oils. Lemons are often touted for the vitamin C they contain and the possible benefits they can have for the immune system. There are many commercial skincare treatments on the market that employ lemon oil to combat wrinkles and other visible indications of aging. Research suggests that lemon oil may help mitigate some of the effects of oxidation. Use of lemon oil can help prevent sun damage, which can cause wrinkles. Lemon and grapefruit essential oils, as well as any other citrus oil, increase sun sensitivity. Avoid direct sunlight for at least a few hours after applying citrus essential oils. This makes nighttime application the best option. 2. Pomegranate oils. Pomegranate has grown in popularity as a food additive in recent years. But there are also several health benefits to eating this delicious fruit. Pomegranate oil helps fight free radicals and encourages new skin cell growth, both of which slow down the aging process. It has antioxidants that encourage collagen production, which firms and plumps the skin, and healthy proestrogens that help to smooth the skin's surface. One study from 2014 suggests that pomegranate oil may help mitigate the oxidative stress that results in free radicals. This may lead to a reduction in skin inflammation, sun damage, and cancer. Pure pomegranate seed oil can be applied directly to the skin or mixed with other moisturizers. Mix together 1 teaspoon of pomegranate oil, 1 tablespoon of organic yogurt, and half a spoonful of honey for a homemade face mask. Apply liberally, wait 10 to 20 minutes, and then wash your face. 3. Moroccan Argan Oil. Argan oil's omega fatty acids can strengthen skin tissues and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Women who both ingested and applied argan oil saw an increase in their skin's capacity to hold moisture. According to a study, the effects of aging are slowed when the skin maintains water. Scientists also discovered that the transformation was not superficial, but rather occurred at the cellular level. Look for anti-aging solutions that include argan oil and ceramides for maximum effect. When coupled with ceramides, the fatty acids in argan oil have an even more beneficial effect on the skin and better preserve the skin's lipid barrier. This reduces the appearance of wrinkles. 4. Jojoba Oil. Jojoba oil is a liquid wax extracted from plants that has been used topically for generations. It has ceramides, which are lipid molecules with a structure similar to your skin's natural oils. This makes jojoba the perfect component for restoring the skin's natural barrier function and protecting it from environmental aggressors. In other words, it slows the aging process and keeps lines from appearing. You can use pure jojoba oil as a toner and moisturizer by adding a few drops to your regular moisturizer or by applying it directly to your skin. Jojoba oil can also be used as an oil cleanser to remove makeup and dirt without drying out the skin. Simply apply some jojoba oil to a cotton ball, rub it into your skin, and then wipe it off with a warm washcloth. You can also use jojoba oil as a carrier oil. You can customize your treatment by adding a few drops of your preferred essential oil for your skin type. 5. Rose oil. Rose oil's high vitamin and antioxidant content makes it ideal for restoring the appearance of mature skin. Antioxidants help your skin produce collagen and protect it from free radical damage. For these reasons, rose oil can temporarily rejuvenate your skin and help avoid the appearance of fine lines and deep wrinkles in the long run. Pure rose oil is safe for topical use. However, due to the high cost and intensity of rose oil, it is recommended to dilute it with a teaspoon of another oil, such as coconut, jojoba, or argan, before applying it to the skin. 6. Baobab oil. Wrinkles and other signs of aging are the result of collagen degeneration. Collagen breakdown, which can be a result of UV light exposure, a poor diet, a lack of sleep, and other factors, is what causes wrinkles. The antioxidants in baobab oil are helpful in protecting collagen. Baobab oil not only prevents collagen breakdown, which causes fine lines and wrinkles, but it also locks in moisture, making skin soft and supple. Baobab oil's silky texture makes it great for topical application. It absorbs fast without leaving behind any oily residue. 7. Sandalwood Oil. This oil is beneficial for regenerative skincare because it helps with UV damage and aging skin by stimulating the generation of new cells. This oil is rich in antioxidants that defend against free radicals, and its natural astringent properties help tone and smooth the skin's surface so that it appears younger. Because of its anti-inflammatory characteristics, sandalwood essential oil is often recommended for use on the face to treat skin problems, including eczema and psoriasis. Wrinkles and fine lines are smoothed out, and your skin is given a healthy glow. To make a steam facial, put 1 drop of this oil into a bowl of hot, but not boiling, water and cover the bowl with a towel. Inhaling the steam will give you a soothing experience and help maintain your skin's youthful appearance. 8. Frankincense Oil. Frankincense, originally from the Middle East and India, is currently one of the most widely used essential oils. It is well known that frankincense oil has healing properties that aid in the regeneration of new skin cells and the repair of damaged ones. In 2003, scientists determined that frankincense oil had the potential to lessen or stop the development of sunspots. This has the potential to even out skin tone and diminish fine lines and wrinkles. The oil may also stimulate new skin cells. Wrinkles can be greatly diminished with regular use of just 2% of this oil combined with carrier oil. It's a fantastic astringent that not only tightens the skin, but also makes you look years younger. 9. Lavender Oil. Lavender oil is quite effective at preventing wrinkles. The 3 powerful antioxidants it encourages your body to produce are effective against free radicals, like those found in chemicals, toxins, and environmental contaminants. It also helps you maintain a healthy immune system. In addition to decreasing wrinkles, the oil can boost your skin's ability to generate new cells. The skin is vulnerable to oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Antioxidants within the flower have been shown to be effective against free radicals and stress in general. These effects may also have soothing properties for stressed out, dull-looking skin. 10. Almond Oil. Almond oil has long been recognized as a wonder substance. Ancient societies used it extensively as a skin rejuvenator and a treatment for hypertrophic scars and dry skin. Vitamin D, vitamin E, and the minerals found in almond oil all work together to calm irritated skin, shield it from sun damage, and repair its moisture barrier. Almond oil can be used as a short-term treatment for skin irritations like psoriasis and eczema that cause dryness, itching, or inflammation. When applied topically, it delivers an extra dose of moisture, which can help ease discomfort. Almond oil is a popular facial moisturizer, and some people swear by it for its ability to even out their skin tone and enhance their complexion. Almond oil can also be used as a bedtime face moisturizer